Hello and welcome back, dear friends. I am Sonu Nishad from Micro IIT Computer Institute. Dear friends, today we are going to learn how to install Tally Prime software into your PC. Dear friends, to install Tally Prime into your PC, you need to download this software from tallysolution.com. Okay, so we are going to do this. First of all, you need to connect your PC with internet. Then start your web browsing software like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, etc. After starting this software, type the website URL here www.tallysolution.com and then hit enter. After entering, you can see the website of Tally Solution is showing here. Here, find the download section and click on it. When you click it, the next page is open. Here, find the Tally Prime release 3.0.1. Click on download link to download this software. It takes few moments to download. It's totally depend on your internet speed. When setup downloading is complete, then click on this triangle and choose show in folder. Here the setup file is available. Make it copy and go to the desktop and paste it into a new folder. And paste here. Click right, choose paste. The setup is here. So now close all the files. My new folder is here, Tally. Open it and start installation. Right click, choose run as administrator. Setup being start now. Here click on install button. The installation process under process. Now the software installed successfully. Just click on start Tally Prime. When you click the start Tally Prime, the Tally Prime software starting being. When this software start at first time, then you can see configure and accept button. So click on accept button. By default, the Tally Prime software has come with educational mode, so click on it. Congratulations, now we are successfully installed the Tally Prime software. Dear friends, if you want to learn advanced Tally software, then you need to subscribe our channel Micro IIT. Dear friends, if you enjoy this video, then like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.